Okay, so what we've done here is we've taken a baker's rolling pin and we put it inside of a towel and rolled it tightly in the towel to sort of make a foam roller. And you can determine the level of intensity by the thickness of the towel. So we're going to go ahead and lay backward, and we're going to put this between the shoulder blade and the spine, and then the head goes on the pillow. So you just kind of situate yourself. Let me know if this hood is in the way. Good. And then we're going to start the arm straight up. So the arm starts here and comes back here. And we're going to go I shape, up, T shape, up, Y shape, and up. Okay. Yeah. So you're just going to keep going through those rounds. I, up, T, up, and Y, up. Now, how does this feel? Is this really hard or not that hard? Or
it's not that hard.
Not that hard. Okay. So if it's not that hard, you can lift your hips up off the ground. So push in of your feet, lift your butt up off the ground.
Okay.
Okay, so that's going to intensify it. Now back to the starting point. Now I shape.
Okay.
Up.
Now I feel it.
Yeah, now you feel it. T shape.
Ooh.
Up. Y shape. Good. And up. Okay, hop up just a second. So now we're going to take it out of the towel. So she doesn't feel it that much. So we're going to try one pillow. And we're going to take it out of the towel. And then we try. So this muscle isn't that tight on you, obviously. But if somebody has like a shoulder injury, they're going to feel this a lot more.
Okay.
So starting off, I shape. So this one you may or may not need to lift up.
Oh, okay.
Up. T shape. You'll just decide about that.
I feel it.
Yeah. Y shape. Good. And then generally what we do is we do about 10 rounds. ITY 1, ITY 2, ITY 3. And this is to increase shoulder range. So we're loosening up the portion of the erector spinae that is on the higher end of the spine in order to give the shoulder more range. So it gives the shoulder more range sideways, Y shape backward, and up.
Okay.
Good. And the I shape, you want to be hand turned this way. Yeah.
Okay.
So that way, you can see the difference.
Okay.
Yeah. Now, if this is feeling better, so you notice like your hands touching the ground on all these ranges, then lift your butt up. So then butt up, and then it's going to hit it at a different angle because you leveraged higher.
Okay.
T shape, Y shape. But good. But you have full range because your hand's hitting the ground every time.
Okay.
Good. That's that.